This is the video introduction to Lesson 13, Compare LED Brightness, from the Mr. Circuit Basic Electronics Lab number 2. In this lesson, we're going to build two circuits on our solderless circuit board, one at a time. Each circuit will be a simple circuit composed of an LED, a resistor, and a battery snap. Let's start with circuit number 1. We need a red LED, a 1000-ohm resistor, and a battery snap. Let's put the LED in A7 and A9 with the cathode in A7. Then put the 1000-ohm resistor in B9 and I10. Last, put the negative of the battery snap in B7 and the positive in J10. Now connect the battery and observe the brightness level of the LED. To build circuit number 2 of this lesson, we just remove the 1000-ohm resistor from the circuit board and install a 6800 ohm or 6.8K ohm resistor in its place. Connect the battery and observe the brightness level of the LED. Was the brightness the same as with the 1000-ohm resistor in the circuit? Which value of resistor caused the LED to be brighter? Maybe you will have to try it again with the 1000-ohm resistor if you don't remember how bright it was. In the end, was the brightness the same with the 1000-ohm resistor as with the 6800-ohm resistor? You will find out when you do the experiment. And in the following lesson number 14, you'll find out why. Now, what I would like you to do is assemble these circuits on your solderless circuit board one at a time and make the observations as I have suggested. After you've done that, create schematic drawings for each of these circuits and draw them in the space given on page 13B of your lab manual. Upon completion of these two activities, you are ready to go to lesson 14.